Yo, what's the deal, YouTube? It's your boy Ragda making today, man. We is here showing you, who is we? I'm here showing you how to style the Air Jordan 11 Legend Low Blue. Yeah, so man, let's get into that.
We love you, Taka.
I know who's there at the door right now.
Yo, that was super cringy. How's everybody doing today? I hope you're all having a great day. I hope you're all having a fantastic day. Getting outside, getting some sunlight, getting active, or staying inside, grinding, doing whatever you doing, you feel me? What am I doing with my hands right now? But man, I hope you're all having a great day, you feel me? Before we start, I want to thank y'all for smashing 10 likes on the last sneaker review for the Jordan Low 11 Legend Blue, you feel me? I really appreciate that. I think it's at 11 likes now. Yeah, I really appreciate that. So yeah, man, before we start, I want y'all to go down there. As always, hit the subscribe button, hit the post notification bell, and thumbs up on this video because you already know it's going to be a video, you feel me? It's gonna be a banger. So man, do all that and let's get into the video. Yes sir. The Jordan Low 11 Legend Blue, you feel me? I already did a review on it, so check it up there, you feel me? But you know what I said, 10 likes and I'll show you how to style them. So you feel me? I'm gonna do a little mini review and then I'm gonna show you what I'm gonna put with them. So yeah, you just got the white here with the white leather with the blue sole, not sole, what am I talking about? The blue bottom, like baby blue bottom, say that 3 times fast. Baby blue bottom, baby dabby. Then you got the bottom right here with the checkerboard, the Jumpman. See, I mean, y'all can see what the shoe looks like, bro. Like I said, check out my last video. But you feel me? All white with the blue. With Jordan 11s, man, I was putting on some stuff before this, just planning this video out. And cargo pants, bro, I don't think they would go well with this, in my opinion. Maybe they do with you, but for me, man, I'm not rocking cargos with these. Now, cargos go with any of my other shoes. Check out my shoe collection up there. But cargos will go with any of my other shoes. But these right here, man, I think I'm gonna put some jeans and shorts with these just because the way the tongue is and the way it sits, the cargos would just look awkward on them. The way it slants in the back here, for me, it would just look awkward with some cargo pants. So I'm gonna show you all the jeans and stuff that I would put together with these. So yeah, I'll be right back.
5 minutes later.
So for jeans, man, since they are this baby blue and white colorway, I want to go with something light, some light pair of jeans. So you feel me? I'm gonna pull these out again. I pulled them out before. Check out my jean collection up there. But these light blue with the rips in them, nothing on the bottom. Y'all seen these in my jean collection. If you haven't, like I said, check it out. That video's almost at 100 views. It needs like 4 more views. Yeah, it needs like 4 more views. So yeah, you feel me? Light blue ripped distressed jeans right here from Boohoo, man. You feel me? Right there. And then we have another pair from Boohoo as well. Light blue with the pockets right here. Stressed, and it has the buttons on the bottom, which I might unloosen for these.
Maybe, I'll see.
You'll see when I do the B-roll. But yeah, man, with the light blue, with the pockets, you feel me? Now for a jogging pant, oh, you already saw it. For a jogging pant, these right here, man, these are also in my Boohoo Man video from the haul. You can check that out. You feel me? Boohoo Man, if you see this, sponsor your boy, you feel me? I really like your products. But anyway, man, with the Boohoo Man, with the stretch joggers right here, you feel me? With the cuff on the bottom, I think the cuff will actually go nice with how the bottom of the shoe fits right here. I don't really rock cuffs that much anymore, but like I said, with this, it might be nice. So right here with the Boohoo Man. And then for shorts, I would say the same color as the jogging pants right here with the light gray shorts with the Nike check right there, you feel me? Checks over stripes, you feel me? The shorts right here, I think they would go together with these pretty well if you know how to dress them. And I got some other shorts I'm gonna put in the B-roll that are like the same color but a little bit lighter. They're not Nike, they're from Boohoo, I think. But yeah, man, so y'all get the gist, man. Shorts, jeans that are lighter go with the shoe right here, you feel me? Socks wise, you feel me? I'm just gonna go with a simple white sock. I'm not even gonna have no logo. It might not even be Nike. It just might be simple white sock for if I'm wearing shorts. And the way I cuff my socks, I like to, how would I explain this? I put the sock on, then I'll just roll it a little bit down. You'll see in the B-roll. That's the way I wear my socks now, instead of just having them scrunched up, you feel me? So yeah, man, now why do I keep walking back and forth? Now what we finna do is get into this B-roll, you feel me? So I can show y'all how I put it on with these. So yeah, man, let's go.
The next day.
Oh shoot, y'all back already? Y'all back from the B-roll? Y'all like the B-roll? Well, hey man, if you stayed this far to the video, man, like I said, go subscribe to the channel down below. Post notification bells on there. Smash the thumbs up button. My thumb is really long, but oh, I'm sorry, TV. Smash the thumbs up button. You feel me? So, did I move this? Cause it was like, jeez. Smash the thumbs up button, you feel me, for more bangers on the way. Now I know it's Friday, I didn't get a video out. I got it out the Saturday after that because I was a little bit busy, but you know, you feel me, my bad about that. I apologize. We back, you feel me, we back. So yeah man, like I said, do all that down below. Like, comment, subscribe, post notification bells, and be on tune because we're gonna be lit on this side of YouTube, you feel me? So man, stay drippy, stay positive, stay motivated, stay happy, stay humble, and be great. And yeah, I'm out of here. Yeah.
Okay, bye.
Go, 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 go.